Hello everybody! As you see, I am back in my favorite place and my plan is to get back to my already built platform. I have my basic tools and my favorite backpack, and this area was under rain for, let's say, last 2 weeks almost every day, so everything is very soaked and I'm not sure how state of the little creeks in this area is. And we already have mosquitoes here, and I have one trick which might work, which is garlic. I will try to apply it on my skin or clothes as a repellent. Maybe I want to just open the garlic a little bit to let the juices out. Alright, let's go and test it out. I entered the woods and so far no mosquitoes, but we have rain starting. Just little drizzle, couple drops already. In order to somehow keep all my electronics charged during the trip, I have in my backpack my smaller or smallest portable power pack, which I quickly made for my drone, so I will show it to you as well. But now the rain is starting to be a little bit thicker. That's what we like. It's time for the poncho. Always have it as close to you as possible in case you know the rain is coming. I don't have any jacket, I don't have any sweatshirt, so poncho is my basically only protection against wind or cold or rain. And here comes the rain. Here we go. And I am now at the crossing which I crossed before in one of my episodes. Lot of water! Wish me luck! What we've got here? Nope, not good. Not good. And last time it was snowing, now it's raining. Okay, oh good, at least something. Shoes are a little bit wet, but I am on the other side. As you see, sunshine. The rain seems to be gone, exactly as the forecast predicted. Unbelievable. And now I just need to follow this trail a little bit, or not trail, but this jungle, and I need to find the platform. It should be very close. Hopefully it's still there. So, as you see, the platform somehow survived the winter. Definitely it needs some updates, of course. And as you see around me, I have a lot of new stuff, which is great about this location. That's how I plan it, to somehow be able to replace the bedding anytime needed. Then I need to start working on the roof, which will be tarp as always, because the weather is still somehow unpredictable, so I don't want to get wet or the new bedding get wet. So stay with me, guys. This time I took one of my best friends, K-Bar Big Brother, you know, this very nice knife, and it will help me very well with cutting the grass. or the bedding. So here we go, a bundle of dry bedding. Now I just need to put it up there. So I decided first I will put the tarp. I realized I need to make a different ridge line. This one we can call double ridge line, something like that. If it's straight line, the rain will basically get on the ridge line and under your tarp and can drip on you during the rain. But my idea is to make the ridge line, hopefully you can see that, in the angle, so all water will drip down. That's just the idea for now. So here it is, nothing special. So now I just need to put the bedding and cover the area where I will have my backpack and stuff, and shelter is done. I can basically wait for rain. So as you can see, I already attached the poncho at the back, as always, to cover the storage area of the shelter. I have at least 4 hours left of daylight, so I will try to perhaps relax a little bit. I want to quickly show you my smaller power pack. So what it is, this is some kind of photography bag, but fits the battery very well. This is very simple, it's 12-volt system, and here I have quick reference. It's very bright, but it's saying 95% 13 volts, and this can also measure temperature. So I have main output here, and I bought the car charger. I will just simply plug it in. Hopefully you can see green light. And here is the output for the battery. Can you see the green light? USB output right here. And I can just put it here in the controller. And it's charging. Certainly I can charge other devices because I made another output, which is right here. It's a secondary 12-volt output with this little connector, and I made this kind of device, which is a USB charger for car, boat, whatever, 12 volts. I installed these in my car as well. Here is switch, so I will show you. You see, it's measuring 12.3 volts. So this is 3.0 quick charging port, so for my phone and for other devices. But now I can just plug another USB cable to it and charge perhaps this Bluetooth earpiece, which I use to listen the commands from the drone application. If you have any questions about this, let me know in comments. I will be glad to answer that. I am drying socks and t-shirt, and I also dried the shoes, and now I think it's dinner time. So as always, I have the Expedition Research boiling kettle, and also I will have noodles and beef jerky. So as you see, the sun is leaving us. I finished my dinner, took all my stuff up here at the shelter. I am ready to take out the sleep system, and I will also show you the modified poncho liner as I promised. So what I've got today is in this small package. As I said before, this is very simple sleep system, just 2 pieces, because we don't expect any cold temperatures. So I have the military BV, which always comes with me. You know this. And the other piece is as well military issue poncho liner, or as they say, whoopee. I hope this night would not be cold for me. So first main modification I did is stitching around the liner. As you see, all the way around I used very good thread, and I used also very tough stitch. Another addition, I add this kind of loop, as you see, which is in the middle of the poncho liner, so I can put a hook here or a ridge line, whatever I need to do. And another addition, very important, are these hooks, which are very tough, very strong on each corner. And the last thing, as you see, I put paracord through this edge, and I made a hole there and saw around it so it's not gonna tear, and I can simply pull and the end will come together. So maybe my modifications will give you some ideas, or you can certainly replicate these in case you have a sewing machine, of course. Alright guys, as you see, I'm ready to go sleep. I'm feeling warm, comfortable, dry, and the bonus, let me show you, it's the first time, no socks. Excellent feeling. As you see, I have a lot of little buzzing friends around me. That's why I have the mosquito net, which I will put like this and probably sleep with it. If the night will bring something interesting, I will be back. Otherwise, I will see you in the morning. Oh, good morning. Hello everybody. So you saw, that's basically how I spent the night. I needed to be completely covered. I didn't need the poncho liner. It was very warm, but the mosquitoes, oh my goodness. They were relentless. Every little gap they found and enter to give me their company. I didn't sleep much, but we have a morning here and it looks like the rain is ready to fall. So okay, I checked the forecast and I have, let's say, 30 minutes before rain and thunderstorms come. So I have to freaking hurry up. Okay, 20 minutes out and I am done with packing the shelter. Definitely faster than building it up. And maybe you can see, but the the sky is completely gray, and like I said, let's say 30 minutes, maybe hour, and it's here. So it'll be better for me to be on the ground, perhaps under the tarp and ready to be picked up, than laying on the shelter and packing everything in the rain. So it's almost 7 AM and I will be talking with you during my way to the pickup location. And I am leaving this beautiful location. Hopefully I can be back soon. I want to quickly talk with you about my plans for future. I am still working on that large power pack. Also, I did some slight modifications in my new car, which I would like to show you as well. It might be interesting. And if you like videos like this, subscribe to my channel, ring that bell. So guys, take care and live well.